meet again with me Mr. Tomo in English with Mr. Tomo. Baik, oke, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang relative clause. Apa sih itu relative clause? Nah, di sini kita akan lebih membahas tentang defining relative clause. So what is that? Defining relative clause. Right. So this I want you to know. Relative clause usually is a clause that gives us information about the person, thing, or place that is mentioned. Jadi memberi tambahan informasi ya, klausanya ini memberi tambahan informasi kepada pembaca. Oke, contohnya Jack, who is retired now, spends a lot of time with his grandchildren. Okay. A serial murderer is a person who kills several people. Next, I found an apron that was covered in blood. The last is, which chapel was the district where Jack the Ripper operated? Okay. Kita akan bahas satu persatu. Okay. Jack, who is retired now? Siapa Jack? There are many people named Jack. Ada banyak orang bernama Jack. Nah, ini adalah Jack yang sudah pensiun. A serial murderer is a person. What kind of person? Who kills several people. I found an apron. There are many apron, but on this sentence is the apron which is covered with blood. Next, about the district. Which chapel was the district? Which district? The district where the Jack Ripper operated. Okay, jadi ini adalah penggunaan relative clause. Next, relative clause ada dua. Yang satu adalah ini defining relative clause. Yang kedua nanti adalah ada non-defining relative clause. So, what is defining relative clause? It gives you essential information to define or identify the person or things or place we are talking about. Ingat ya, gives essential information, memberikan informasi essential to define, untuk mendefinisikan tentang orang, tempat, ataupun benda. Dogs that like cats are very unusual. Which dog that like cats? They live in a house. Which house? Whose roof is full of holes. Nah, whose di sini menjelaskan tentang they live in a house. Punya siapa? Next, let's go to a country where the sun always shines. Okay, which country that always shines? The dish was delicious. Which dish? Makanan yang mana? The dish that or which I ordered yesterday. Okay. Next. Define this clause, the pronoun. Give essential information. Nah, kalau kita mau refer atau memberikan informasi lebih lanjut tentang orang, the people, we use who or that. That is the man who told me the news. Okay, that is the man who told me the news. Nah, who di sini menjelaskan tentang man. Okay, if we want to give information about the things, we can use which or that. The letter that was delivered was from my boss. The letter that was delivered was from my boss. Nah, sekarang kalau place kita pakai where. This is the house where we lived in when I was young. Next, the possession. Nah, kepemilikan ya. The cat whose left eye is injured is called Tom. The cat whose left eyes, yang mata kirinya. Nah, ini adalah mata kirinya siapa? Kucingnya. Jadi ini bisa untuk hewan, bisa untuk manusia, bisa. Whose to refer to the possession, menunjukkan kepada kepemilikannya. Okay? Nah, menggunakan which He wouldn't tell, which we had already expected. Ini kayak tambahan aja gitu. He wouldn't tell, which we had already expected. Dia nggak akan mau ngomong seperti yang kita udah duga sebelumnya. Nah, sekarang defining relative clause without pronoun. We use the relative clause already as a subject. We can drop the relative pronoun. Jadi kalau ada subjeknya, kita nggak usah pakai relative pronounnya. Mary Kelly was a young girl who atau that-nya nggak usah. Everybody loved very much. Ada subjeknya kan? Mary Kelly was a young girl. Ya, subjeknya Mary Kelly. Next, kita akan lanjut lagi. Nah, the police examined all the letters they received. Which atau that-nya kita bisa hapus saja. Nah, subjeknya adalah everybody loved very much. Sudah ada kan di sini everybody subjeknya dari clause-nya, relative clause-nya. They receive. Jadi sudah ada subjeknya ya. Next. Kalau tadi kita ngomongin tentang defining relative clause, now we come to the non-defining relative clause. It gives us extra information about someone atau something. Remember, extra information. Jadi kalau kamu hapus clause-nya ini, sentence-nya masih bisa jalan, masih bisa punya arti. It has got the meaning already. Contohnya ya, my grandfather, who is 87, goes swimming every day. The house, which was built in 1883, has just been opened to the public. The award was given to Sarah, whose short story impressed the judges. Ingat-ingat, ada koma di sini, okay? Ada koma yang mengawali sama menutup the relative clause. This is called the non-defining. Kamu hapus relative clause-nya, masih tetap punya artinya. Ingat-ingat itu ya. Jadi kalau yang non-defining pasti ada koma. Okay, next. Tapi kita nggak bisa menggunakan relative pronoun di sini. Paul and Nichols, who atau that ya, who. That was a prostitute was murdered in 1888. Okay. Ini tetap refernya ke who karena udah jelas kan. Nah, sini juga on her birthday Sandra got a pony which she had dreamt of. Okay. Ini masih non-defining juga, tapi kalau seperti ini ya kita harus memakai relative pronoun-nya. Next. Ini juga bisa ini contohnya Oxford Street, which is a famous shopping street in London, is always busy. Okay, cannot be dropped either, nggak bisa dihilangkan juga. Nah, sekarang misal punya dua kalimat di sini. My brother, who is a doctor, lives in Africa. My brother, who is a doctor, lives in Africa. It looks similar, right? Mirip-mirip kan? Sebenarnya mirip kan? Bedanya di mana? Koma, right? It's the difference on the comma. Tapi, what does it mean? Artinya apa? Yang pertama, ini adalah non-defining. You probably have only one brother. My brother, who is a doctor, lives in Africa. Okay, ingat-ingat ya. Who is a doctor, lives in Africa. Mungkin cuman punya satu. Kalau ini jelas. My brother, who is a doctor, lives in Africa. Menjelaskan kalau my brother is only more than one. Okay. Tapi aku mau ngomong tentang yang satu ini yang jadi dokter. Kalau yang pertama mungkin lebih dari satu. Tapi yang kedua jelas. Next. Nah, sekarang kita lihat, is it defining or non-defining? Okay. London, which is the capital of England, is one of the largest cities in the world. The village where I grew up is very small. This is the officer that arrested the burglar. That is the dog that bit me. Greg, whose job involves traveling a lot, has been in nearly all the countries in the world. The office I have just rented is near my home. Nah, benar gak tadi jawabanmu? Yang pertama adalah non-defining. Oke, yang kedua adalah defining. Selanjutnya defining lagi, non-defining, dan terakhir tetap defining. Kamu tahu nggak kenapa kok ini non-defining sama defining? Tahu? Coba cek lagi. Di menit-menit sebelumnya kamu bisa lihat lagi apa sih bedanya defining sama non-defining. Oke? Ingat-ingat, kalau defining berarti memberikan essential information, informasi yang menjelaskan tentang kalimat tersebut. Kalau yang non-defining hanya sebagai tambahan. That's different. Oke? Baik, itu semua apa yang kita bahas tentang relative clause. Oke, and relative we have got defining and non-defining. Mister jelaskan defining sama non-defining agar kalian lebih jelas tentang definingnya. Dan kita ada who, which, that, whose, where, right? Those are that we use on the relative clause. Alright, that's all for today. Goodbye.